Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and look what I have in front of me. It's the first ever one and done sentiment stamp set by Teresa. So if you're not familiar, the one and done sentiments die is right here. It cuts out 11 sentiment banners that have stitch border detailing, double fishtail ends, really perfect. And in the past, it was designed so that you could cut out just in one pass all of the sentiments that have recently come included with the A2 card fronts that Not Too Shabby releases. And that has been really awesome because you can get a boatload of sentiments so easily. Now, with the release of a Little Sunshine stamp set, you can stamp in one go and die cut in one go. And what's really awesome about Teresa's designs is that these are slightly larger sentiments than maybe what you would find if you're familiar with my ultimate sentiments. And that's really awesome because it gives you, at least it gives Teresa room to actually use different fonts of different spacing, different sizes, and that helps you to kind of give different character and different impact on the design and card that you're putting together. So I really love that, and the fact that there's a stamp means that you can do techniques that you wouldn't otherwise be able to do with an A2 card front panel. So for example, you can stamp this out in different color inks if you want. You can do heat embossing techniques if you would like. So it does open up a lot of opportunities to craft. And as well, with A Little Sunshine, there's lots of really wonderful sentiments that are great to use all year round. I mean, I know in the name it says A Little Sunshine, so it may be a little bit suggestive of maybe a summertime release, but it is really lovely for any occasion or really no occasion at all even. So let me show you a couple of cards. These are going to be sort of sneak peeks of tutorials coming to my channel down the road. So if you're interested in learning how to make these cards, you'll see the tutorials hit my channel later because I used Teresa's A Little Sunshine stamp set and added some of those sentiments onto these projects that I've made with the Ultimate Coffee Cup. And so here you can see a note to make you smile. That's the sentiment down here. And I love this one, sending a smile. That's really lovely also. And with these cards, you can kind of see this one is a very flat shaker card. And this one is a fun top folding shaped card. So really fun. I hope you enjoy seeing a little bit of inspiration featuring Teresa's one and done A Little Sunshine. This is available now, so you can pop on over to the Not Too Shabby shop. I'll leave links to everything in the description box below, and you can treat yourself to this stamp set today. And it just gives more creative ways to use Teresa's one and done sentiments die. I know Jamie is a firm believer, just as Teresa and I are, that, you know, whenever new products come out, I always try to give you lots of different ways to use those products, making them relevant in your craft room all the time. So if you've already been loving Teresa's one and done sentiments die for your sentiments that come with the A2 card fronts, you're gonna love this stamp set. And I'm sure if it's popular, there will be more. So check it out. Links to everything will be in the description box below. They will be affiliate links. So if you do shop with my links, firstly, a big thank you. I really appreciate it because I may earn a little commission as a result of that purchase. And the sneaky peek that I gave earlier is the Ultimate Coffee Cup that will be available for purchase May 23rd. Thanks again, and until next time, happy crafting and have a fabulous day. Bye.